Hello everyone, so this is Young Jewelry Stylist, my another video. So this time I'm going to show you some of very good products that I have been using since last 7 months. And I'm satisfied too with this product, and the name is Nuskin. So every time I post about this and धेरै नै कुरा गरेर हुन्छु, every time gap gari post गरिरहन्छु, and you guys might be thinking what she is doing, promoting or हुन्छ नि के गरिरहेको हुन्छ नि, she is working in this field, त्यस्तो हुन्छ नि questions पनि you might have, but let me know you, no, I'm not हुन्छ नि promoting this brand because I just got a chance to हुन्छ नि get trained and हुन्छ नि had some as I feel sometimes privileged because I got a chance to work with a Korean artist who is highly influenced with cosmetic and beauticians, so this kind of thing even मलाई पनि पहिलेदेखि I'm very interested and want to change myself in my skin, how I had to be look very perfect skin, कसरी केयर गर्ने स्किन रुटिनहरु कस्तो होला के होला. I was very keen from early teenage देखि नै अथवा childhood देखि नै त्यस्तो somewhere I was like that, so अहिले चाहिँ finally I got a chance to सपना पूरा गर्न पर्ने एउटा चान्स जस्तो पनि भयो. And this is what you guys see in my hand. This is a हुन्छ नि एकदमै राम्रो हुन्छ नि capsule which is हुन्छ नि have to be used with this one. यो machine सँग use गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, and this machine is a facial galvanic conductor, ageloc भन्छ. So this ageloc means हुन्छ नि you ageloc भन्ने बित्तिकै मान्छेले हुन्छ नि you might हुन्छ नि guess, oh yes, you can be known हुन्छ नि ageloc भने चाहिँ किनभने हाम्रो एज चाहिँ लक गरिदिन्छ as we grew up every day and getting older and older. So in that case तपाईको फेसमा wrinkles आउँछ हुन्छ नि time and again हुन्छ नि hormone change and so many problem occurs हुन्छ नि skin barrier. So त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ you have to be हुन्छ नि care and invest in your skin to look more younger when you grew more older. So after 30 plus अथवा 40 plus you cannot हुन्छ नि त्यतिखेर त्यो एजमा आएर चाहिँ you cannot say, oh now I have to start caring my skin, किनभने त्यतिखेर एकदमै ढिलो भइसक्छ. So I think this is the very appropriate and best time to start हुन्छ नि to care your skin if you are in a हुन्छ नि 20 plus or 25 plus. If you have हुन्छ नि cleansing routine अथवा facial गर्नुहुन्छ भने well एकदमै राम्रो गरिरहनु भएको छ I would say. And if you are not हुन्छ नि unknown with this product हुन्छ नि जुन चाहिँ Nuskin छ त्यसको बारेमा केही जान्नु मन छ, तपाईलाई थाहा पाउनु मन छ भने you can comment me, ask me about this. Even I'm a very हुन्छ नि enthusiastic person to share all this हुन्छ नि informative things with you guys. And believe me, anytime हुन्छ नि you message me, I can reply. So you don't have to be hesitated or हुन्छ नि त्यस्तो shy feel गर्नु पर्दैन मसँग हुन्छ नि आफ्नो स्किन केयर प्रब्लमहरु शेयर गर्न. जति मसँग सक्दो नलेज छ I can हुन्छ नि help out with हुन्छ नि to know how this product can be used and what the product are made to be. And हुन्छ नि I'm not going to reveal more about these things. त्यही भएर तपाईहरु भिडियो हेर्नुस्, and if you like and know more about it, please let me know and you can text me too. हामीसँग यो Nuskin को यो ageloc अलरेडी मैले भनिसके जुनको चाहिँ क्याप हुन्छ नि 3 टाइप्स अफ क्याप छ, जुनमा चाहिँ यो एउटा छ एकदमै स्ट्रेट लाइन भएको, अनि अर्को देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ एकदमै हुन्छ नि अलि हार्श टाइपको छ. यसमा चाहिँ जुन हुन्छ नि ग्यापिङहरु प्लस हुन्छ नि ब्लक्सहरु देखिरहनु भएको छ. सो दिस इज फर हुन्छ नि एक प्रकारले हुन्छ नि it can be used as your exploitation. So यो जेलसँग चाहिँ we have to use this one blue one with this. यो दुईटा चाहिँ यो ब्लू जेलसँग युज गरिन्छ. and यो जेलको काम भनेको यो it prevents your fine lines, wrinkles, and helps to like rejuvenate your skin barriers. तपाईको breakoutहरु छ भने एकदमै control गर्छ, and it helps also for acne prone skin, sensitive skin लाई पनि एकदमै काम गर्छ. Actually this was like made for all type of skin, particularly हुन्छ नि यो sensitive skin को लागि होइन, normal हुन्छ नि dry skin को लागि होइन भनेर चाहिँ it haven't like mentioned anywhere, but हुन्छ नि यो चाहिँ सबै skin types को लागि हो. So you can हुन्छ नि go with it without like हुन्छ नि worrying about your skin barrier breakouts अथवा हुन्छ नि के ड्यामेज पो हुने हो कि भनेर त्यस्तो नसोचे हुन्छ. यसको काम भनेको चाहिँ to give a shape as well as to हुन्छ नि reduce your fine lines, wrinkles मैले भनिसके, and हुन्छ नि at the same time it also helps to हुन्छ नि cell turnover पनि गर्नलाई एकदमै हेल्प गर्छ. and तपाईको स्किनमा हुन्छ नि you might feel sometimes like very rough and एकदमै dull, not brightening, glowing पनि छैन. So if you do this in a week, like हुन्छ नि weekly तपाईले एकचोटी या दुईचोटी हप्तामा गर्नुभयो भने चाहिँ you would like definitely get a good result. किनभने मैले पनि यो युज गरिरहेको छु, and whenever I use this like हुन्छ नि I'm like wow कस्तो राम्रो skin feel हुन्छ नि, I feel like very good textures हुन्छ नि एकदमै even tone type of feel हुन्छ, and एकदमै smooth textures feel गर्छु म, and brightening at the same time. So यसको लागि त अब तपाईहरुले पनि युजै गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. So in order to get the result, but मैले भनेकोले मात्रै पनि you cannot like हुन्छ नि केही गर्न सक्नुहुन्न. So you have to use it to like get a result or to know more हुन्छ नि एकदमै deeply आफैले युज पनि गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. Every time like seeing a review or अथवा हुन्छ नि some blogs, it doesn't work for your skin. So you have to invest actually. So invest is the very first thing that comes हुन्छ नि. जबसम्म तपाईले कुनै चीजलाई हुन्छ नि इन्भेस्ट गर्नुहुन्न, you cannot like हुन्छ नि grab it अथवा purchase it. So to look beautiful, I think तपाईहरुलाई पनि अब राम्रो लागेको कपडा भनौं न बजारबाट किन्यो भने definitely you have to invest in that, and तपाईले लाएपछि you come to know that yeah this color suit me, this dress is like for me, my body structure, त्यस्तो टाइपको feel हुन्छ भने same in the beauty cosmetic world too, it's apply the same हुन्छ नि effects हरु हुन्छ. So this is one for like face, अनि यो मेसिन चाहिँ you can use for like हुन्छ नि part of your body, ज्यानलाई पनि युज गर्न सकिन्छ, where your हुन्छ नि body hurts actually हाम्रो हुन्छ नि hip area अथवा back बोनहरु हुन्छ नि एकदमै यो ढाडहरु दुख्ने, हातहरु दुख्ने, खुट्टाहरु दुख्ने प्रब्लम हुन्छ, which is like हुन्छ नि यो मेसिन पनि युज गर्न सक्छ with the gel that is this ageloc body shaping gel. So यसमा चाहिँ तपाईको belly shape पनि दिन सक्छ, which is like for especially for the women who have हुन्छ नि after pregnancy have lot of problems हुन्छ नि gone through our belly हुन्छ नि एकदमै worse situation हुन्छ. So for it to give the shape in tight गर्नलाई पनि एकदमै help गर्छ. अनि yeah this is like हुन्छ नि once you use, I don't think so हुन्छ नि you will be dissatisfied and you won't be like regret why I did invest this. So यो तपाईको मुखबाट सुन्दै सुन्दैन. So I would like definitely say this is a use game change for someone who have a in this video like हुन्छ नि I couldn't like show off my face अथवा हुन्छ नि I was just like हुन्छ नि recording showing all these products which is like हुन्छ नि यो मेरो daily beauty vlogs type को पनि हो. But in last हुन्छ नि week I couldn't like make a good video and I couldn't upload it. So this time हुन्छ नि I hope like हुन्छ नि you guys like and हुन्छ नि gives a love, and as well as हुन्छ नि if you have any inquiries about this new skin हुन्छ नि especially हुन्छ नि जब कि म I'm in Korea and I'm like exploring this kind of gay beauty especially in Korea, so that हुन्छ नि जब आफ्नो hometown हुन्छ नि hometownमा फर्केर चाहिँ I can like do something in हुन्छ नि future भनेर चाहिँ I'm like yes working and exploring new things every time, and as well as at the same time तपाईहरुलाई knowledge पनि dinalai चाहिँ I'm making a video, so हुन्छ नि you can know about this product. So Nuskin मा चाहिँ there are हुन्छ नि lot of त नभनौं धेरै mechanic conductorहरु छ जुनले चाहिँ हुन्छ नि to give your body shape अनि face को लागि पनि हुन्छ नि lumi spa you can like हुन्छ नि have a lumi spa जुन चाहिँ facial cleansing को लागि युज गर्छ. त्यसले चाहिँ हाम्रो हातले भन्दाखेरि पनि 5 times more हुन्छ नि deeply cleanse गर्छ, and this is a galvanic. So let's talk about that later on. Let's firstly focus on this. यो चाहिँ galvanic body spa हो जुन चाहिँ तपाईले हुन्छ नि आफ्नो थाई एरियाज अथवा आर्म्स एरियाहरु चाहिँ जुन एकदमै ब्याड शेपमा छ you can give a good shape with this and with this gel so you have to always like हुन्छ नि you press गरेर you can like first pour up your हुन्छ नि gel and हुन्छ नि slowly you just rub it keep rubbing हुन्छ नि until this like हुन्छ नि automatic every time हुन्छ नि यसले gel observe गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ it produce a sound so त्यो साउन्ड अनुसारले अटोमेटिक अफ हुन्छ फेरि अटोमेटिक अन हुन्छ आफूले प्रेस गरेर अन गर्ने हो and it gives a good shape हुन्छ नि I don't think so like हुन्छ नि यो युज गरेपछि चाहिँ you want to हुन्छ नि move towards gym so I don't think so you need a gym after use this and हुन्छ नि एकदमै राम्रो हुन्छ if you do the gym or yoga as well then like a very good effective results एकदमै चाँडो plus राम्रो results झनै पाउँछ in a combine but it's not going to हुन्छ नि give you a disadvantage अथवा हुन्छ नि side effect है एकदमै सो कोरियामा चाहिँ दिस इज लाइक हुन्छ नि people are crazy about this अनि यसको स्पेशली यो न्युस्किन को चाहिँ फेस लिफ्टिङ पाउडर भन्ने छ त्यो चाहिँ एकदमै बेस्ट which is like हुन्छ नि एकचोटी युज गरेपछि नै मान्छेलाई रिजल्ट देखेर हुन्छ नि they will like go like a crazy त्यो भन्नै सक्दैन so this is all हुन्छ नि I have information so hope you like this if you are new here in my channel please subscribe गरिदिनु होला and give a lot of love भन्न चाहन्छु र तपाईहरुलाई हुन्छ नि यस्तै टाइपको भिडियोहरु अबाउट न्यू स्किन यो न्यू स्किन कै बारेमा एभ्री टाइम लाइक हुन्छ नि म लिएर आउन सकौं र I can give you more and more knowledge about this and later on हुन्छ नि यसको बिजनेस पनि हाम्रो नेपालमा चाँडै ओपन होस् भनेर चाहिँ I am like hoping and so एकदमै राम्रो प्रोडक्टहरु चाहिँ जस हाम्रो नेपालमा नि आउनु पर्छ भन्ने चाहिँ मलाई नि लाग्छ and you might feel too so this is the one हुन्छ नि if you guys are interested please let me know so yes यति भन्दै अब हुन्छ नि I would like take a leave from you guys and stay safe भन्न चाहन्छु and wear a mask please if you have any inquiries let me know for now I would like sign up and thank you for watching till the end and like you gave a very like passion to know about this thank you for that and take care bye bye